the other big story that we're tracking today, and this is with regards to a protest that's taking place right outside AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal's residence. The BJP is escalating the Sheesh Mahal attack on the Aam Aadmi Party. BJP leaders are slamming the Aam Aadmi Party government, accusing them of lavish expenditures at the cost of the public exchequer. Now, the controversy has also intensified with the release of an inventory list that also goes on to talk about these lavish furnishings, including gold-plated fixatures, high-end furniture, and also costly decorations, when it comes to the public work department and things that were supplied. Dramatic protest taking place. Sabyasachi, take us through what you're seeing around you and the charges being made by the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Well, that's right. See, dramatic visuals outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. See, this is the first layer of barricading which has been done at Firozshah Road. We are standing just a few meters away from the residence of the AAP national convener Arvind Kejriwal, and you can see the massive gathering of the Delhi BJP party workers who have gathered outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence in large numbers, protesting against Arvind Kejriwal as well as the Aam Aadmi Party for spending lavishly on the interiors of the Sheesh Mahal, which Arvind Kejriwal once resided during his tenure. See, after the inventory which went public, where it could be seen that how lakhs of and crores of rupees were spent on lavish furnitures, decorations, and etc. Now the Delhi BJP have been questioning the source of this fund. From where did this fund came, and how did Arvind Kejriwal as the Aam Aadmi Party spend so much money on Sheesh Mahal, in decorating the Sheesh Mahal? So these are some of the serious charges which the Delhi BJP party workers as well as the Delhi BJP chief Virendra Sachdeva has been raising. Now you can see on your screen that how the Delhi BJP party workers right now are breaching the first layer of barricade. Now they have given a call yesterday that they would march towards Arvind Kejriwal's new residence, that is 5th Firozshah Road, and hold a protest outside his residence. Looking after the call, massive deployment of security personnel was seen on ground. Rapid action forces was also being deployed, and you can see on your screen that how the party workers are now breaching the first layer of barricading here at Firozshah Road and heading towards Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Now the Delhi BJP says that there should be serious investigation into this matter, as crores of rupees which belongs to the exchequers have been spent lavishly on decorating the Sheesh Mahal, on buying expensive interiors, on buying expensive furnitures. You can see that how the first layer of barricading has been broken by the BJP party workers, and now they are marching towards Arvind Kejriwal's residence.